to add up this. $430 plus $120. $430 plus $120. That's what?
That one is $550.
$550. 123 plus
B
245.
is 368.
368. 249 plus 325. 249, 325.
That is
That's what?
it is
Do you have your pen and your paper there?
no.
Quickly get one.
Okay.
All right. 249 plus 325. You know how you write that? You have it as 249 325.
Would it equal
Do you see I'm writing mine?
say is that 500 570 574.
574. So you start from the unit side. I told you the other time that this is 100, this is tens, and this is units. So you add the units first before adding the tens, before adding the hundreds. Once you are adding the units and it's more than 10, like this, you have 9 plus 5, 14. So you write 4, you keep the tens part of it. So you add the tens to the other part here. The tens here is 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6, then you remember you have picked the tens, which is 1. So you add the 6 to 1. That makes it 7. Suppose you have something like this. 2, 4, 9. Look up. And you have 3, 7, 5. You have something like this, and you are adding this. Remember this 9 plus is 4.
Yes.
14. Pick 1. The 1 you add to this. So that makes it 1 plus 4, 5. 1 plus 4, 5. Plus 7. That's what? 7 plus 5, 12.
7 plus 5 is 2.
That's 12, right?
Yes.
So just like you have done here, you write 2 and you keep that 1 again. You add the 1 to this. That makes it 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3. That's 6. I don't know if you get what I have done here. Do you get it?
Yes.
So when you have a situation like this, this is what you do. Okay, so this one is 574, 574. So what will this give us? $571 plus $364.
What?
You can write it out the way I've written this ones. So you write it out like this. So that is what now?
This one is this this
But try and write it out the way I've written mine so that it will be more easier. You get that?
okay.
Uh-huh. Yes. So write it the way I'm writing mine. Then you add. It will be easier.
No, that's what I'm doing.
All right. So you can easily add the units, add the tens, add the hundreds.
Is it 935?
$935. And see, this one is better. So you start your addition from the right, which is 5, 13, right 3, keep 10, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, so this is $935. E. How much money is 5 $100 bills, 3 $10 bills, and 13 $1 bill? 5 $100 bills is $500. 3 $10 bills is $30, and 13 $1 bills is 13. So this will give us
That is
500
500.
plus
10
30.
and 3,
That's
30,
3 in
30,
3 times 10, that's 30,
30.
plus 13. And that is what? $543.
For
$543. Now add F, G, and H for me. F, G, and H. Over. Add it for me. Write it
okay.
out the way I've written my C and D. Write it out the way I've written my C and D. That will make it much more easier for you to do. F.
Oh, my pencil fell.
What?
My pencil fell.
I'm waiting for you.
Oh, The answer to the first. The answer to the first one is 694.
694.
Yes.
That's correct.
Yes.
G.
Answer to answer to G is um the answer to G is 885.
885. Correct. Then
Yes.
H. H.
Um okay. Six.
What's H?
H is um H is H is 556.
556. You start from your right hand, that's 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. You write 5, and 3 plus 1 is 5. So that is 556. All right. You are still adding.
Still
You
what?
are still adding 3 digits. So $162 plus $253. You know the trick now. Just write out $162 and $253.
The article 415.
$415. Is that okay?
Yes.
You have to write this in words. Can you write it in your paper and show me?
Okay.
444. Correct. That's correct. Number 3, Miguel had 5 $10 bills. How much money did Miguel have?
You had at $50.
$50. That's $10 in 5 places. That's 5
That's
times
10
10.
times
That's
5.
10 times 5. That's $50. You are expected to write this in expanded form. Expanding this will give us what? Oba. Oba. 560 in expanded form. That will be 500 plus 60 plus 0. That's in expanded form. All right. Can we attempt number 5 together? Let's try and attempt number 5. Are you here? I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, loud and clear. All right, let's take this number 5. We have a sequence. A sequence is a set of ordered number. Are you with me?
Yes.
You are doing something else. Okay. So the first term is 3, followed by 6, followed by 9, followed by 12. We have to look for this term, this term, this term, and this term. So I said if you want to determine the difference between this term and this term, you subtract this first term from the second term, which is 6 minus 3, and that is what? 3. The next one, 9 minus 6, that's 3. 12 minus 9, that is also 3. That means the difference between the two terms is 9. So that means you keep adding 3 to the next term to get the next term. Keep adding 3 to the last term to get the next term. So 12 plus 3 will give me what? 15.
12. 18.
This will give me
15
15.
plus 15 plus 3
15 plus 3 will
is
give me
18.
18. 18 plus 3 will give me
18 plus 3 is 20.
21.
And
21 plus 3,
21 plus 3 is 24.
24. And it continues like that. The same thing is also applicable to question 6. Question 6, we have the difference between this term and this term. That's 12 minus 6 is what? 6. The difference between 18 and 12 is what? 18 minus 12, that's 6. The difference between 24 and 18 is equally 6. So that means to get this next term, we add 6 to this last term. 6 plus 24 is what? 30.
6 plus 30 plus 6 is 36.
36.
36 plus
6,
6 is 42.
42. 42 plus 6
42
is
plus 6 is 58.
48.
Oh, oh yeah.
48. Is that okay? So that is
Yes.
how we get the sequence there. Right, you have this. Add or subtract as shown. So you tell me the answers. You can write it down, write everything down before telling me, or you do it individually. Question 12, question 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Done.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Number 12.
12
is what?
21.
Huh?
21.
$16 minus $5.
Oh my. Oh, that would equal 11.
That will be what now?
That would be 11.
11. Okay. 13. 58 plus 10.
58 plus 10 is 68.
68. 8 plus 8 plus 8.
That is 24.
24. 25 minus 17.
25 minus 17. Oh, I did that. I didn't. I did that one wrong.
You didn't do it. All right, quickly do it. 25 minus 17.
It is okay. I
Huh?
did it.
Okay.
It equals 8.
8. So number 16 is what?
Number 16 is 700. 758.
758. Number 17.
7. Number 17 is and that is 88.
17. The sign is minus.
Um. Oh, okay, I can do it. That equal 28.
28. No, that's what I told you the other time, that you need to check the sign as well. Why? And you have to take your time to check it. All right. So what will this be? Find the missing adding. 35 plus m equals 55. M is what?
M is what? M is 20.
20. We are adding 20 to 35 to give you 55. And number 19, what will you add to 30? What will you add to 30 to give you 100?
You want to add. What did you give me?
What are you adding?
You would add. Wait. That's 70 plus 30.
70. So 70 plus 30 equals 100. 100. So I think we can conveniently stop at this point. Is that okay?
Yes.
But before we stop, we need to go over what we have learned today. Let's quickly go over it. There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week.
Yeah.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That makes 7 in 1 week. And the question is, how many days are in 3 weeks? How many days are in 3 weeks? If 7 days is equal to 1 week, then in 3 weeks, that will be 7 in 3 places, which is 7 plus 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 7 is 21. So that means in 3 weeks, there are 21 days. In 3 weeks, there are 21 days. Is that okay?
Yes.
B, 13 minus 10 is 3. C, that has to do with time. What is the time? 2 hours after midnight. Midnight is 12 a.m. So 2 hours after it will be 2
It'd be
a.m. 2 a.m. 9 plus 8 equals 17. That's the D part. 9 plus 8 equals 17. Don't forget the topic once again is adding 3-digit
three
numbers.
digit.
So in adding that, since it's 3 digits, it will be 100 tens units. It must have a unit, a tens, and an hundred. As we progress, we had more than 3 digits. Is that okay? Right. So
Yes.
for the first one, we have to use the money manipulatives to add all this. So adding it gives us, adding $430 plus $120 gives us $550. 123 plus 245 gives us 368. 249 plus 325 gives us 574. And $571 plus $364 gives us $935. The workings as shown in C and D. While E says how much money is $500 bills, 3 $10 bills, and 13 $1 bills. And that gives us 500 plus 30 plus 13, which is $543. Then we have to add this, which is shown. Likewise, use manipulatives to find the sum of $162 and $253, which gives $415. And you are expected to write 444 in words. $444 in words. We're told of a Miguel that had 5 $10 bills. How much money did he have? That's 5 times $10, which is what? $50. You have to write 560 in expanded form. That's 500 plus 60 plus 0 units. And you have to write the next 4 terms, 4 numbers of this sequence. The difference between the first sequence is 3. So adding 3 to the last terms, we keep increasing it. Likewise, the difference between the numbers here is 6. So we add 6 to this number, to this number, to this, until we get the last 10. We have to add or subtract as given here. And finally, we are to find a missing addend in that part. All right. So it's a convenient place for us to stop. But before we stop, I want to give you assignments. Would you like to do assignments? Over. Will you like to do assignments?
Sure.
You're not answering me.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. All right. So you check the assignment corner for assignments. So I'll drop the assignment there for you. In the assignment corner, do it within the next 2 days. Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right. So it's a convenient time for us to stop today's class. I hope you enjoyed the class. Is there any question for me before we end?
Mm, no.
You've never asked me any question.
No, because I don't have questions.
You're checking if you have what?
I don't have questions.
I can't hear you.
I don't have questions.
All right. There's no problem. Maybe next time. You are raising up your hand.
I just found this here.
It's just what?
I just found
Okay.
this thing, so I just clicked on it like this.
All right. Thanks for that. So we meet in the next class.
Okay.
So have a